Chapter 1 Introduction to Computers.
Evolution of computers.
Dear children, you know that the computer is a fast calculating machine that performs different operations. Although the computer was originally invented for high-speed and accurate calculations, but it is not a calculating device only. The computer performs any kind of work involving arithmetic and logical operations on data, processes it as per the instructions or input given, and gives the information as output. Do you know how the computer was developed?
The development of computers started with mechanical devices. Slowly, they were improved to electromechanical devices, and finally, the electronic computers came into existence. Let us learn about some devices and computers that are involved in the evolution of computers. Abacus. China, 3000 BC. First mechanical device used for calculations. Perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. Frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Napier's bone. John Napier, 1617. Performs multiplication with repeated addition and division with repeated subtraction. Consists of rectangular strips of rods made from bones and ivory. Rods had numbers written on it. Pascaline. Blaise Pascal, 1642. Performs only addition and subtraction, looked like a rectangular box. Used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels, also known as adding machine. Difference engine. Charles Babbage, 1822. Performs mathematical operations automatically. Earliest automatic calculator. Steam provides the power to make it work. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage, 1837. General purpose, fully program controlled, automatic digital computer, but it was never built. Had 5 units: input, output, store, mill, CPU and control. Formed the basis for all modern computers. Tabulating machine. Dr. Herman Hollerith, 1890s. First electronic machine, capable of reading data, processing it and giving output. Uses punch card to give input, record and store information. Mark 1. Howard H. Aiken, 1944. First fully automatic digital computer, marked the beginning of the era of modern computing. Also known as automatic sequence controlled calculator. ENIAC, electronic numeric integrator and calculator. John Mauchly. J. Presper Eckert, 1946. First general-purpose electronic digital computer. 1,000 times faster than Mark I. Consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes. EDSAC, electronic delay storage automatic calculator. Morris Wilkes, 1949. First electronic computer that used stored programs. Faster than ENIAC. UNIVAC 1, universal automatic computer. John Mauchly, J. Presper Eckert, 1951. First commercially available electronic computer. First computer to handle both numeric and text data. Do you know? Punch cards are the paper or wooden cards containing several holes, punched by hands or machines to represent data. Vacuum tube is a glass tube from which all the air has been removed. It is an electronic component that allows the free passage of electric current. Picture history. Look at the given picture. It shows the evolution of computers from the year 1960 to 2015. Our inspiration at IT. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. He gave the concept of a programmable computer for the first time.
Modern computers. The computers you see today were introduced in 1982. These are called personal computers or PCs. These computers are faster than the earlier ones and are also cheaper and smaller in size. People generally use the following types of modern computers: desktop computer, laptop computer,
Smartphone. Tablet.
Types of computers. There are different types of computers according to the speed, size, and memory, storage capacity. Computers are of
categorized into
4 types. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers or PCs. They are one of the greatest human inventions. They are powerful machines. They are widely used in schools, homes, offices, bank, shops, hotels, etc.
examples are C64, IBM PC.
Mini computers. They are bigger in size than microcomputers. Several hundred users can use it at the same time. Examples are VAX computer, PDP-8. Mainframe computers. They are big computers with a large memory and high speed. They are mainly used by big organizations like bank, government offices. They are very powerful computers. Examples are PDP-10, IBM 390,
Z10.
Do you know, nowadays many computers are not much used. Mainframe computers were first developed by a company named IBM. Supercomputers. They are the world's largest and fastest computers. They can process huge amount of data within seconds.
They are used in weather forecasting, defense, space research, etc.
Examples are Cray, Param, Anurag, and Titan. Do you know? The Param and Anurag supercomputers have been developed in India.
Embedded computer. Embedded computer is a small computer fixed inside a machine to perform a particular task. It is designed to do some specific tasks rather than be a general-purpose computer for multiple tasks. The main purpose of an embedded computer is to control the machine. It does not look like a desktop computer, but contains all the elements that are essential for any computer: input, output, CPU, RAM, ROM. Let us learn about some machines that have embedded computer inside them. Glucometer helps in recording the blood glucose level at home for those who are diabetic. Kindle is used to read books, magazines, and newspapers. You can buy and download electronic books onto the device and read. GPS receiver is a pocket-sized device that helps in getting the details of the location where you are and also provides the directions to other locations.
Mobile communication. In this modern era, almost everyone is using mobile phone, and they are using it to talk with relatives and friends. Let us learn how this mobile communication works. The genius of mobile communication is the division of a city into small cells. Cells are normally hexagons on a hexagonal grid, where each cell has one base station, that is, mobile tower. The mobile keeps on sending signals to the nearest base station. The base station keeps records of the SIM and related data in the network computer. Suppose person A wants to talk to person B. A dials B's mobile number and B picks up the call. The base stations of A and B create an invisible path between them. When A speaks, his voice is converted into signals. These signals are received by A's nearest base station and sent to B's nearest base station via the path created earlier. Now, B's nearest base station sends these signals to B's mobile phone. From there, signals are converted back to voice and B is able to listen it.
More fun in lab. Perform the following tasks. Open Microsoft Word 2010 and type the given text. Select the first line and apply the following. Make the text bold and underline using bold, B and underline U. Font equal to Cambria. Font size equal to 12. Font color equal to blue. Select the remaining text and apply the following. Create numbered list using numbering command. Font equal to Arial. Font size equal to 10. ICT update. China's Sunway Tihulite supercomputer has been reported to be the world's most powerful supercomputer. This supercomputer has placed Tyne 2 at the second place. Key points: Abacus, Napier's bone, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machine, Mark I, ENIAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC 1 are involved in the evolution of computer. Charles Babbage is considered to be the father of computers. PCs were introduced in 1982. Computers are categorized according to their speed, size, and memory. Computers are basically of four types: microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Embedded computer is a small computer fixed inside a machine to perform a particular task. Mobile communication is used by almost everyone.